Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to kick off the 12 days of tutorials. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to be posting a eye tutorial every other day up until the 24th of December, which amount to 12 videos for the month. It's like I mentioned, it's pretty cool. You know, a lot of people do a Vlogmas and they post every day. I'm not there yet. I'm a very small channel, but I want to try it out. But doing something that I enjoy, like eyeshadow, palettes, and creating looks. So yeah, I already explained it, but so I'm gonna kick off the 12 days of tutorial with dun 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 the collaboration with Sydney Grace and Mel Thompson, which is the Tiny Marvels. So I'm gonna be doing a look with this, and yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna start with the eye look. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna be using this beauty that Mel Thompson created. Unfortunately, she passed last year, which was really sad. She was very talented. I watched her videos and she seemed so loving, so nice, so down to earth, so chill. Never got to meet her, but you know, through her videos, I felt like I did. But yeah, and she created this beauty with Sydney Grace, and you know, I got it. I supported her, and yeah, I want to do an eye look with this beauty. So I already have my eyebrows done with Nothing New, Anastasia Brow Wiz, and the Anastasia Dual Powder, both in Ebony. And then I carved the bottom of my eyebrows and prime my lids with matte paint pot and soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes. And now I'm gonna jump in to the eye tutorial. So I think I'm gonna go in with Love Bug, which is this beautiful purple right here. It's like a mauve color actually. So I'm gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna be using the Luxie Tapered Blending, the Luxie 205 typical blending, and I'm gonna go into the shade Love Bug right here, and I'm gonna use that shade in the crease. Alrighty, so that's what that shade looks like. I love this Sydney Grace formula. It's such a beautiful formula. As you can see, it blended out seamlessly. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with the Luxie 213 eye shading brush, and I'm gonna go into Bugaboo, which is this like eggplant color right here, and I'm gonna be doing a halo eye. So I'm gonna apply Bugaboo in the inner and outer part of the crease. And I'm just patting the color first, and then I'm gonna go in with a blending brush to blend it out. Alrighty, so this is what it should look like. Now I'm just gonna grab the Luxie 205 Tapered Blending, and I'm just gonna go over the edges with no additional product. I just want to make sure this looks blended. I'm actually going to get a little bit more of Love Bug, and I'm going to apply it to the crease just because I don't want to lose that color. So beautiful. Alrighty. Now I am going to apply one of the shimmers, but before I do that, I'm going to go in with the Pat McGrath Labs Intensify Eyes Artistry wand, and I'm going to apply it to this middle part of the eyelid. Okay, and I usually go in with my finger. I'm going to use the color Meadow Hawk. Should I use Meadow Hawk or should I use Marvel? I'm going to use Meadow Hawk, which is this beautiful shade right here. It looks like a rose gold. Yeah, or a corally color. So I'm going to grab that shade and I'm going to apply it to this inner part right here. Look how stunning that looks. Okay, now I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Alrighty, so now I am going to get the Luxie 213 eye shading brush. That's the brush we use with the color Bugaboo, which is the eggplant color. And I'm going to tap into Bugaboo and I'm going to blend it into that peachy shade, Meadow Hawk. So it blends nicely. Alrighty, so that's what that's looking like. Now I'm gonna blend out the crease one more time. And I'm just gonna go back in with that peachy shade one more time, and I'm just gonna tap it from side to side to intensify the shade a little bit more. Like so. And this looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to do a liner, apply lashes, finish the face, and then I'll come back to show you the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look using the Tiny Marvels palette right here. So what do you guys think? I love how this look came out. It's a beauty. I'm gonna have to pull this out and really start using it. But you know, I treasure it, you know, because it was from Mel and it's such a beautiful palette, but I should also use it. And the color story is beautiful. This to me brings more springtime than anything, but makeup is makeup and you can use it whenever, right? So I'm gonna make sure to pull this out and do more looks with it in the upcoming year. But yeah, this is the look that I was able to create. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'm gonna catch you on the next video.